You walk into a room, 3 seconds. That's all it takes for someone to decide if you're the guy who's got it together or the guy who doesn't. And I promise you, one of these 5 mistakes is the reason it's not going your way. Mistake 1. Fit over everything. You're wearing clothes that fit your body from 3 years ago. Not today. Doesn't matter if it's a $20 shirt or a $200 shirt. If it's not sitting right on your shoulders, your chest, your waist. It reads as careless. Not broke. Careless. That's worse. Fixed. Shoulders should end where your shoulders end. Sleeves stop at your wrist bone. If you're not sure, get one thing tailored this week. Just one and feel the difference. Mistake 2. The dead grooming zone. Your grooming stopped at I showered. Eyebrows untouched. Nose hair visible from across the room. Nails you haven't looked at in a month. This is the stuff people notice before they even register your outfit. Fix. 5 minutes. Once a week. Trim, please. Cut. That's it. 5 minutes is the difference between looking maintained and looking like you gave up. Mistake 3. The one everyone's guilty of. You dress for comfort when you should be dressing for confidence. I'm not saying suffer. I'm saying there's a difference between this is comfortable and this is what I default to because I stopped trying. Sweatpants every single day isn't comfort, it's autopilot. Fix. Pick one piece today that makes you stand a little straighter when you put it on. That's the piece you build around. Mistake 4. Ignoring color. Everything you own is black, gray, or navy, and you wonder why you blend into the wall. Color isn't loud. Color is intentional. One earth tone jacket, one deep green, one rust-colored knit. That's the difference between forgettable and who is that guy. Mistake 5. No signature. And this is the big one. You have no signature. Nothing that's yours. The guys who get remembered aren't the guys with the most expensive wardrobe. They're the guys who have one thing: a watch, a jacket, the way they always roll their sleeves. That makes them recognizable. Find your one thing. Start there. If you caught yourself into or more of these, that's not an insult. That's a starting point. Confidence isn't something you wait for. You build it, piece by piece, starting today. Drop a comment. Which mistake hit hardest? I'm reading every single one. And if you want the full breakdown on building a signature look from scratch, that's next week. Subscribe so you don't miss it.